Hello guys, welcome to this video. Let's talk today about this turntable. This is a quick review. I got this from Amazon. I've been using it for a while and I like it. It's pretty easy to use. As you can see here, I just have a button that I can turn on. Then I hear a beep, it's working, and I have the remote control, which needs battery, AAA battery. You just put the battery here and it's ready to go, okay? There's no indication here in the remote. There is no LCD display, so you just need to click and hear the sound, hear the beeping, and visually see what's going on, okay? So I can just press here to start turning. Here we go. I just need to select the direction and press start, and starts running. So it's pretty good, runs pretty well. And here you can select the direction that you want to turn the table, right? Let me just invert here, for example. So it goes counterclockwise again, and you can increase and decrease the speed here, like slowly, very slow, and it's good. Then you can also increase the speed. There is no indication, you just need to take a look and see that's increasing. Okay, and then you can stop. And here you can click to come back to the main position, to the home position. So you can set up a home position. Then every time you click here, it comes back to the home position. Here we go, that's the home position. Let's say I want to do something different. I can rotate a little bit and change the home position here. Let me just stop. Now I want to set up this as the home position. Just click here and it's ready to go. Okay, now this is the new home position. And you can also rotate, like it stop, like it just rotate and stop 2 times, 4 times, 8, 16, 24, 30, 32, and so on. So if you press, for example, here 24, it's going to rotate 24 times. It rotates and stops, rotates and stops. It's pretty good. You just need to divide here the 360 by 24 so you can see the degree that it's turning, right? Then you can stop again. And here there's some extra buttons that you can control even more features here. And works pretty fine, okay? Overall, I'm using this just to rotate and record some videos with products, and it's pretty good, okay? So if you want to get one of this, it's pretty affordable. I like it and I recommend it.